How was it?
Yeah, it was great.
Thanks for coming, man.
Thank you very much.
You know what? Thanks for coming to the studio of Programa Kasumuna. I hope to see you more often so we can do more updates on immigration because it matters to all of us.
I agree.
Yeah. Well, I just want to do a briefly introduction. What's your name? What do you do? What is your job?
My name is Eli Siswakam Kendi, and I'm an immigration consultant, and I'm also a director of corporate immigration. So what we do is that we help people who's got immigration issue in the UK and people who's got immigration issue outside the UK. So especially the people who are outside the UK, when their application got rejected, they're not sure what to do, they can always get in touch with us, and then we should be able to assist them. For people who are in the UK, if they want to extend their visa, renew their visa, or maybe apply for family reunion, which means bringing wife, husband and kids, that's what we can assist them.
Oh, okay. Can you tell us about what type of immigration services you are offering at the moment?
At the moment, we are offering two types of immigration: personal immigration and business immigration. In terms of personal immigration, they involve things like applying for the rights to be in the UK, or maybe applying to become a citizen of United Kingdom, or if you've got a family member abroad, you want to bring them in the UK. It could be your wife, it could be your children, it could be your husband, it could be your grandparent. That's what we do for personal immigration. And then for business immigration, what we do the most is that if you are abroad, you wish to set up a business in the UK, we are there to help you. It could be field involves technology, science, health sectors, or any kind of business that you wish us to assist you to set in the UK. We shall be able to help you.
Tell us what kind of cases you can win straight away, and the cases that are complicated that would take time to be completed.
Okay, there are two different types of cases. We have a fresh case, and then we also have a case that has already been rejected.
A fresh case? What do you mean, fresh claim?
Yeah, fresh claim, which means that you haven't submitted your application yet, and then you come to us, you need our assistance, and then we'll be able to assess your situation and then find out what you need in order for you to win in your case, and then we will make sure that you will meet all of the requirements set by the Home Office before we can submit your application. And there's a guarantee that we get the best result, because this is what we do. We always make sure that we get the best.
You're not just talking here because you're a solicitor and you want some people to come to you.
No, that's not.
Come on, brother, don't lie, man. Because all your solicitors, they say that.
Nah, I mean, like, when I know the case that I'm going to win, I always tell straight away to my
So what's your successful rate then?
100%.
Have you ever lost a case?
I've never lost a case.
Hey, these African brothers, the way they is sticky, oh man. You never lost a case?
Nope, I've never lost a case.
So it's 100% successful rate.
Yeah.
Well done, brother.
The reason why I've never lost a case is because I know what the Home Office want, and I'll make sure that my clients will meet the standards set by the Home Office, or my client will meet the requirements set by the Home Office. And then once the client meet the requirement, and then what we do, we submit the application. If I know they are missing information, I'll make sure that the client will be informed. Look, there's X, Y, Z they're missing. We cannot submit the application because of X, Y, Z.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, and this is why I've never lost a case. It's not because I haven't. We just know what the law says and the
And then just follow the
requirement.
procedures and all the requirements and.
Yes, that's what we do.
Okay. So so we're entering a new phase which they launched this so-called e-visa. At the moment, a lot of people are talking about it. How can you help the majority of the community that might be struggling to switch into visa?
An e-visa is an online record and the condition type of visas and permission that would allow you to enter in United Kingdom or stay in United Kingdom. There used to be an old way where people used to get something called biometric card, which used to outline the type of visas each individual used to have, whether they have indefinite leave to remain or if they have a limited leave to remain or if they come as a visitor in United Kingdom. An e-visa allowed each applicant to be able to log in online to see the kind of visa that they've got, and if you involve visitor visa, they should be able to print it out or maybe keep it on the record to show to the airport, depending on where they're coming from, that they've got the right visa in United Kingdom, or if the visitor is staying in the UK, they've got limited leave to remain, the e-visa should be able to be outline the type of visa each individual got. For example, if you have the right to work in the UK, the e-visa should be able to just share with your employer or maybe share with your landlord, and then the e-visa, if you've got, for example, indefinite leave to remain, you should be able to show that this particular person got indefinite leave to remain. So instead of renew your visa, which a lot of people used to do, you don't have to do that. With an e-visa, everything is online. You can just access it whenever you want, whether when your visa is going to run out or no. But e-visa give each individual access to print out or to have a copy of their immigration status in United Kingdom.
Oh, basically, what's this e-visa really means? Like, what it means? Electronic type of stuff, digital?
Yeah, e-visa it simply means electronic.
Oh, so basically, if I'm going to ask for a job, so the employee doesn't need to get your paperwork, they just need to go online and put your code and then they can just see your status.
Yeah, but then you would have to give the employee access, or maybe you would have to share code to your employer where they can,
like the share code things like that the Europeans are having.
Yeah, that's the.
So that's gonna apply for everyone now.
Everyone across United Kingdom.
So it doesn't matter if you're white, black, coming from Europe or Africa, it's all the same process.
Yes, that's what's going to be. So e-visa is more flexible. You don't have to get in touch with the Home Office anymore.
So how do you apply for this e-visa then?
That is something which we will discuss another time.
So this is where you come from. Yes. So in order for us to get to you, what is your social media stuff? What is your telephone number? How do I get in touch with you? Do you have a website?
Yes, we do actually have a website.
What is your website?
Corporate Immigration UK.
Okay.
And then there's also an email address, and there's also a telephone number, which shall be given at the end of this interview.
So are you on social media?
Yes.
Are you on TikTok, right?
Yes.
Do you have the same following number that I have? Or?
No, you know. You have a lot of
But you
people
know,
that
but
follow
anyway,
you.
don't worry, man. But I'm glad that my friends, my good friends here on TikTok, they will follow you too. Those people that really want it, they will follow you too. The reason why we do it in English with Portuguese translation, because obviously you don't speak Portuguese, but you work for the English public. Let's see how it goes. For today, I don't think we should take this further. I think the relevant information are here. So if you would like to know more about this e-visa stuff, get in touch with our local solicitor. He's great. I can tell through the experience I've been with him. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
One second.